A very good morning, students. In last week, we have started with the third unit of employability skills, that was the basic ICT skills. In that, we have learnt about the same certain basic operations that are related with the computer, the copy paste operation, delete, cut paste operation, keyboard shortcuts related with that, all we have seen. I hope you have practiced well the same operations. Working with files and folders, already we have seen the operating system and its functions we have discussed. Okay, so today we will see the next part of that ICT skills, that is the applying basic skills for care and maintenance of computer. Now, why is it necessary to take care of maintenance of computer, that we are going to see. Now, as computer systems require maintenance so that the system works efficiently, poor maintenance may lead to system failure. Regular care and maintenance may help you to detect any issues at early stage and keep it functioning well. मतलब अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में कोई इशू आता है तो उसके बारे में अगर उसके अर्ली स्टेज में ही आपको अगर पता चलेगा तो आपको वो रिपेयर करने में आसानी होगी. ओके, देयरफॉर रेगुलर केयर एंड मेंटेनेंस इज़ वेरी मच important. Since a lot of important data is stored in the computer, it is necessary to have regular maintenance of the computer. Computer virus, malware and other harmful softwares can cause damage to the working of computer. If antivirus is installed in the computer and is updated and run periodically, then any loss of data can be prevented. Means what? Here they have given the importance of antivirus software, which will help to update the antivirus, and definitely it will prevent the loss of data. A large number of files are stored on the computer. These files can be disorganized and fragmented and may result in slowing down of the computer. Now look, large number of files are stored on the computer. These files can be disorganized and fragmented and may result in slowing down of the computer. Fragmentation. Fragmentation means what? Various links or unnecessary files may created in the computer, and which allocates too much or which acquires too much space in the computer. These files are unnecessarily installed or unnecessarily stored in the memory of computer, which slows down the working of computer. Regular maintenance of computer system includes installing the updates, security, taking backup and scans, etc. Both internal and external parts of computer system should be taken care of. Means what? Hardware also and software also. Both should be maintained, and in both cases the care should be taken. So first care they have given, keep the computer dust free. Every time what you need to do, you have to keep the computer dust free. Don't eat or drink while working on computer. Food or drink may spill on the system, and definitely what will happen, the system can become damaged. Okay, to keep the keyboard clean, make sure your hands are clean before using it. CDs and DVDs should be handled carefully so that they do not get damaged. Keep the keyboard covered when not in use. Okay, why is it necessary? Because the dust particles may enter inside the keyboard buttons and the functioning of that keyboard may be disturbed. So you have to take care of the keyboard in that way. Second, cleaning the computer components. Now they have given various points related with cleaning of the computer components. Computer components need proper care to last longer. Preventive maintenance increases the life of components. For example, a cable may be damaged but still working. It should be replaced or repaired immediately to prevent any other damage. Fan in CPU helps to cool down the CPU as it gets heated while working. If the cooling fan is blocked, maybe due to dust, and it is not repaired or replaced, computer can easily catch fire. Okay, therefore that cooling system should be very much prevented against the dust. Therefore, regular inspection of components is required. This increases the lifetime of the hardware. General precautions to be taken while cleaning the computer components are: always power off the computer system before cleaning. Never spray cleaning fluid directly on component of computer. First spray the liquid on clothes and then wipe the component. Don't allow the cleaning liquid to drip near the circuit board. What will happen? That circuit board will uh, will catch the short circuit. Okay, so because of that liquid, all of you know that liquid is the good component of good conductor of electricity. So therefore don't allow the cleaning liquid to drip near the circuit board. Preferably use anti-static wrist band, which helps to prevent building up of static electricity near electronic device. Anti-static wristband which will help to prevent the building up of static electricity near electronic device. Generally what you have to do, you have to make use of the uh, rubber while working with the electronic device. If you want to repair that device at that time, in order to avoid the static electricity inside your body, what you have to do, you have to wear the gloves or anti-static wristband. So that what will happen, you may have observed that the if you touch any other person, suppose you are working, you are repairing the computer system and it is turned on. At that time what happens, the static electricity enters in our body, and when you touch any other person or come in any other person's contact, at that time uh, you may experience the current is transferred from that person to you. Okay, like that. So in order to avoid that, you should make use of the anti-static wrist band. Okay, next, Let us try it. Discuss the need of care and maintenance of computer. Let us discuss how to clean some common peripheral devices of computer. Now, common peripheral devices. First, we will start with the computer monitor. To clean the computer monitor, you can use a soft lint free cloth like cotton and water or specially cleaning liquid. You should not spray water or cleaning liquid directly on the computer monitor as it may run through the seams. Spray water or cleaning liquid on the cloth and gently wipe the कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर. देखो, कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर के नीचे अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे एक फ्रेम रहती है. ओके, जो स्क्रीन रहती है, स्क्रीन को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए एक फ्रेम रहती है. और अगर वो फ्रेम और स्क्रीन के बीच में जो गैप है उसके अंदर अगर वो लिक्विड गया, देन शॉर्ट सर्किट भी हो सकता है, आपका मॉनिटर बंद हो सकता है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड दैट, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to spray the water or cleaning liquid on the cloth and then you have to wipe that computer monitor. Okay, next, keyboard. Dirt and dust can cause damage to the keyboard. Keys of keyboard may not function properly if dirt enters the keys. You should always clean the keyboard periodically by holding upside down and shaking it. Okay, you should always clean the keyboard periodically by holding upside down and shaking it. Means what will happen, the dust which has entered below the buttons will get removed. You can also clean it by blowing it with the compressed air. आपके घर में अगर हैंड पंप होगा तो उस पंप से भी आप ब्लो कर सकते हो और उस एयर के थ्रू आप डस्ट निकाल सकते हो. आफ्टर दिस, यूज अ डैम्प लिंट फ्री क्लॉथ टू क्लीन टॉप ऑफ द कीज. You should never spray any liquid cleaner or water directly on the keys of keyboard. As I told you, as I explained you about the monitor, similar thing may happen with the keyboard. Next is the optical mouse. You can clean the bottom of optical mouse with clean lint free cloth. Lens area can be cleaned by blowing air or cotton swab. Digital camera. Never touch the lens of camera to remove the dust. You can use soft lens brush or wipe with soft dry cloth. For stubborn dust, you can use special fluid for lens cleaning, which should be first put on the tissue and then wipe the lens. Never put fluid directly on the lens. Similar instructions are there. Okay, CDs and DVDs. You have to keep the CDs and DVDs in the proper case to prevent the damage. If there is some dirt on CD or DVD, it may not work at all. Fingerprints and dirt can be removed by lightly rubbing with a clean lint-free cotton cloth. If the dirt is hard to remove, you can use special cleaning fluid. Put the drop of fluid on swab of cotton and gently rub on the media. Okay, as the CDs and DVDs are the storage devices and the magnet is there inside which holds the data. So in order to avoid the data loss, you have to gently rub on that media so that the damage may not occur towards the data. So let us try it. Demonstrate the procedures for cleaning the components of computer system and other peripheral devices. So you have to practice these cleaning of components of your computer system at your home. Next, preparing maintenance schedule. Regular maintenance of computer system is very important. Some of maintenance activities are: keep the components of computer like keyboard, mouse, monitor clean. Replace hardware that is not functioning properly. Keep food items away from computer. Why is it necessary? Because if you keep the food items near to the computer at that time, what may happen, some insects may come towards it and also may enter in your device. So they those insects may damage the internal parts of computer. Okay, so that in order to avoid that, you have to avoid the food items near the computer. Cables and cords should not be messed up. Okay, cables and cords should be uh, kept properly. They should not be messed, means they should not be uh, twisted with each other, because what may happen, if any fold occurs over there on the cable or cord, then it may get damaged. Remove unauthorized software from computer. Unauthorized software, as I told you before, you have to read the policy, privacy policy of that software. And if you observe that software is not authorized or not secure, you have to you should not install that software. Okay, take a regular backup of data. Why is it necessary? If you have worked on very important data, at that time what will happen, if you don't back it up, and suppose any problem occurs to your computer, at that time it will be difficult for you to get that data. So in order to avoid that inconvenience, you should regularly take the backup of data. Ensure backups are working properly by periodically restoring or checking of data. You should use external hard drive for backup of data on your computer. External hard disk आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, पेन ड्राइव यूज़ कर सकते हो, CD DVD यूज़ कर सकते हो. Okay, run the antivirus periodically. Keep antivirus software up to date. Don't overcharge the batteries. Do not block the vents. Why is it necessary? If you block the vents, the air may not enter in your uh, internal parts of hardware, and then what will happen, the overheat may take place. Always shut down the computer properly. Why is it necessary to shut down the computer properly? Because the system or the operating system will get proper, in order to work the operating system properly, it is necessary. Regular scans should be done to check for viruses, malware, etc. And effective antivirus software should be installed in your computer. Always keep your computer antivirus software updated so that it can detect new viruses. Now look, why the updation of antivirus is necessary. If the antivirus is installed and updated, then newly generated viruses cannot enter in your computer. Okay, जैसे हम बायोलॉजी में आपने अगर देखा होगा, नहीं तो रेगुलरली हम जैसे as our age increases, from the childhood, you may have remember that periodically you are taking some vaccinations. Why is it necessary? Because day to day new viruses are generated, biological viruses, and in order to fight with those viruses, that vaccination is necessary. So therefore you are updating your body by taking the vaccination. Similarly, in order to protect from the digital viruses, you need to take help of that antivirus, and you should update it so that your antivirus will detect the newly generated viruses. Okay. Full system scan should be done periodically, preferably weekly, to scan for viruses. A regular disk defragmentation should be done to remove all unnecessary information that slows down the computer. Now look, disk defragmentation means what? Unnecessarily the files which are generated in the computer, those files should be removed. Okay. And because of that unnecessary information, the computer slows down. Okay. This fragmentation done at regular intervals will help the disk space to be used at optimal level. मतलब आपकी रैम जो है वो थोड़ी बहुत फ्री हो जाएंगी और परफॉर्मेंस इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. ओके. स्पीड ऑफ वर्किंग विल गेट increased. Take regular backup of the data on your computer. In case the data is lost due to any reason, system failure, virus attack, etc., you can easily retrieve data using backup files till your last update. Regular backup आप ले सकते हो एक्सटर्नल हार्ड डिस्क से, पेन ड्राइव से, सीडीज और डीवीडीज से. ओके. So for today we will stop over here. Tomorrow we will continue with the next topic. Okay. If you like it, just share it and subscribe it. Thank you.